So David, 2018 was a record year for Blum Novotest. How did you do that?
It was fantastic, yeah, our best ever year in the UK, certainly, but it was really about the new Digilog product. That was really accepted by the market. The customers really engaged with that new technology, and we had some real nice success with some projects on there.
Just briefly, what is the Digilog?
The Digilog is a combination of your normal digital type probing, which has been about for many years, used on machines for a long time, and the analog aspect of probing, which is often used on a CMM world. We've combined the two to create a technology where we can do part setup or simple tool measurements in the machine, but we can do much more advanced scanning of the part, of the tool, and gather so much more data. It's digital, it's analog, so hence the name Digilog.
And you've got a Fanuc Robo drill on your stand here.
Yeah.
That's creating quite a lot of attention. What's the idea of that demo?
It is, yeah. I mean, we've done Southern for a few years now, really, and we've usually had a static display, which is great. We can explain the product, but I mean, engineers, they want to see a machine, they want to see movement, they want to see noise, and we can show the product much better by actually having it running down on a demonstration on a machine. So this is a machine that we have in our facility, head office in Germany, and it sort of tours the world doing the exhibitions. So hence we've got it here showing it today.
What's the idea of the grease?
The grease has been absolutely fantastic because so many people are asking what the grease is about. The purpose of what we're trying to say is people will often say, well, how does a probe work in a machine tool? It's great when it's all clean, everything's in a nice environment, but what happens when it's covered in swarf, it's covered in oil, and it's in that nasty machine tool environment? Our probes are consistent whether there's grease, whether there's oil, whether there's coolant, whatever's in the machine, they are absolutely reliable and consistent. And so what we actually did is we had the idea of using a pot of grease, dip the probe in the grease, and you can see the measurements in a clean setup, and then with grease on the top, and it's exactly the same, no difference.
In 2019, you say last year was a record year. One presumes it's going to be another successful year. Lots of unfamiliar faces on your stand. You're growing.
We are, yeah. It's growing very nicely. January was absolutely fantastic for us, a record order entry for us in the UK again, following a really successful 2018, our best ever year in 18. The projects and the customers that we're talking to on the new Digilog range, I think that this year is going to surpass anything we've done in the past.
And have you got anything new? I know it's an EMO year.
Yeah, at EMO this year we will be launching something really new with regards to the software side of things on our new probing systems. So really, for any customers getting over to EMO, make your way over to the Blum stand. It's some exciting projects coming along.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much. We certainly will do. Cheers.